Hi, I am Brother Mark-Vincent Madronero, 31 years old, from the province of Bukidnon, the island of Mindanao, in the southern part of the Philippines. I am the eldest among the 4 siblings, and my parents both manage our small farm back home. My sister next to me is in the military. That's why we crack jokes sometimes that she is an army of the country and I am an army of God. Yet, we both are soldiers of the people, and my 2 other siblings are still university students. I grew up from a small Catholic village called Concepcion in Valencia City. When I was younger, I was not that really a religious person. In fact, recently, my mother called me over the phone and narrated me one unforgettable story when I was around 2 years old. My grandparents and I attended a mass. During the consecration, when the bell was ringing, I was crying out loud to have the ice cream. I thought that it was the Selecta ice cream with their resounding bell. My grandfather was trying to explain to me that wasn't Selecta. That bell was for the consecration. I was crying out and shouting the whole mass. So when we got home, my grandfather hit me with his belt as a reward, or let's say a punishment. I think that in an early age of my life, there were already signs of consecration to God. And now, after years of searching for the true happiness, I am now ready to consecrate my entire life as a service to God by taking the vows of chastity, poverty, and obedience in the congregation of the Augustinians of the Assumption. It is my great joy to follow Christ in a radical yet generous way all the days of my life. This consecration is an exchange of love. I love God, God loves us, God loves me, who accepted me as I am, even my frail humanity. And this celebration is also my response to His love until the last day of my life. As St. Augustine says, he who is filled with love is filled with God Himself.